Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome to Pronounce. Lesson 1, the sounds of English. We use the sounds of English to speak and to listen. We use 4 muscles to make the sounds. Our lips, our tongue, our jaw, and our voice, on, off. These are the sounds of English. The vowels, monophthongs, 1 vowel sound, E, E, A, and the diphthongs, 2 vowel sounds together to make 1 sound. Ear, A, Oi. The consonant sounds. P, voice off. B, voice on. T, voice off. D, voice on. There are about 44 sounds in English. These are the sounds. In the video lessons, we are going to learn how to say these sounds. Let's begin.